another history. My name is Manya Media Commissioner reporting, and we are here in Obuasi, a suburb of the Ashanti region of Ghana. And this is a very busy road linking us from Kabrakusu to Tutuka. All of them are suburbs of Obuasi. What we are here to do this morning is to find out about this business joint and what happens. So follow me and let's have a few discussions with the owner of the shop and see a typical Ghanaian, typical worker, what he does in the day. So follow me. Hello. Good morning. Okay, you are on Ladder TV and you want to know what goes on in your daily activity as the CEO of Solo's mobile network. So that is what we want to know. So first of all, tell us your name and then we can begin. What is your name again?
Brother Solomon.
Okay. Okay, so is it a name that we are known you to be around?
Or you can even call me Pasolo.
Pasolo. Perfect. Okay, Pasolo. So what is Pasolo Mobile Network all about? Can you tell us a little about that?
All about mobile money. We deal with mobile money, selling of credit cards, transfer, accessories. Okay. So we sell phone accessories. We do transfer of money, registrations, sort of things like that. So, in cash. So, what brought about this business? What led to that? Were you there one day you woke up, you decided to open a shop like this, or how did it come about? It wasn't easy, but everything is by the grace of God.
Okay.
Business with a little
savings.
I begin it with amount of 100 Ghana cedis.
100 Ghana.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So the income was little.
Oh, okay.
But because of the grace of God.
So how did you? It was like you were saving some of the income. You were not spending the income. You were saving it to make it as we are seeing it today. Oh, okay. So let me put it like this. What is your level of education?
I just completed
senior high school. Last 4 years. Oh, okay. I'm not going to ask about your age, but getting to know when last you completed senior high secondary school, it hasn't been long. So what was your vision? What did you want to do in the future?
I want to be a businessman.
A businessman. Oh, okay. And what sort of business were you looking at? What kind of business were you looking at to go into? Buying and selling. Okay. And you didn't begin with anything. You just started mobile networks, accessories, registration, mobile transfer of money. Why this one? You could have started with selling of anything, but why this one?
One thing that came into my mind is about technology.
Okay.
Sometimes you can go in business, but the money will not.
Oh, okay. You won't see returns.
I first of all go to God.
Okay.
And ask God, what business
can you do your money?
About 10 months. I guess I'm thinking about business which will go every day.
Okay.
Every day I can get a little
something, little profit from it.
So we get to know that our technology Mm-hmm.
Children's mentor.
Okay. Okay.
Everyone needs more.
Okay.
So when I go with a little of mobile money and use the credit card, I can get a little from it.
Wow.
So that's the reason.
Wow. He was so business-minded, business-oriented, and he looked at the things around him that will make him to earn a little profit each day. Let's say profit daily. And that brought about what we are seeing today. Have you got any other employees? Have you employed people? You work with people or you do it alone? You work with people. How many employees do you have? You have 3 employees. You pay them, you remit them weekly or monthly or daily? It's monthly. Oh, this is brilliant. It's so brilliant. In fact, I'm really impressed. Is he your one of your employees? Oh, okay. Barcelona, I will not take much of your time, and then I'm so grateful for granting us this interview. Okay, wherever you are, especially people in Nottingham, this goes to our Ghanaian community, the youth, and Africa at large. Brother Solomon finished senior high school 4 years ago, and he decided to go into business, and here we are. He has been able to employ 3 people, which he paid them every month. What is your vision and your goal? We started today with Revolution, this year with Revolution 2021, and our goal was to use whatsoever we have to make up something. This is Madak TV from Solos Mobile Network, reporting from Obuasi. My name is Mami.